so that we can show everyone how we used the velvet eggs with these beautiful detailed eggs with the floral design on them.
Now you receive a set of 4, and I have doubled them here
Yes.
because we're going to play.
Yes.
And just give you some ideas or how to use them. I love them. And do you see how the colors tie back to the velvet eggs so beautifully? So there is a mint green, if you will, matches the pierced porcelain egg that we had earlier perfectly. Yes. Here is the blue, and look at how each one has the most exquisite detail.
And different details on the different colors, yeah.
Look at the pink, look at the lattice work on the pink.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful? And last but not least, our yellow with a beautiful little rosebuds.
We have fewer than 500 to go around. $5.80 gets it home. Let's play. Let's have fun.
Love tucking these into the garland of the table. Just tucking them in. There's the yellow. I'll give you a green and a blue.
Yes, please.
I have a pink, and look at how they just enhance and layer in with the beautiful color, and you will just nestle them into your garland. And we have our polka dot illuminated eggs here, but we could just as easily take these sweet little eggs and tuck them into our little candle ring.
Oh my goodness.
These are beautifully done.
Now fewer than 350 remaining. People are buying more than one. It makes a lot of sense. If you're using them as place settings, if you're putting them in baskets. Here's the great part about this is that you get all of the colors.
Yes.
Right, so you get the mint green, the blue, the pink, and the yellow. Each one has a personality of its own.
It does, and I want to come over to the table, Bill, just so you can be able to see and appreciate the beautiful detail that probably did not show quite as well when I was holding it up. But each one has this beautiful, unique design. And they are, like the pink is on both sides. It's not just a one side, it's a double side. Yeah, the yellow, oh, look at the little, it's like a rosebud cameo.
Yeah, I was just going to say it's like a cameo. That's so funny.
Oh, I beat you to it.
Oh, no, we're sold out. Okay. Well, listen, we know what we like. We know